Hey guys, this is Solomon from NFX and Crypto. Today is the 19th of May. As you can see, I am taking a scalp trade for some quick profits. Okay, this is the 250 account we started with. We've made almost 200% profit so far. If you want to copy my trades, you can go to nfxandcrypto.com. We'll start giving 1 year signals, and it's a one-time payment for the signals, and we'll be giving those signals for 1 year in a private Telegram group. And yeah, if you want to fund your account, you can also use the same broker that I'm using, which is Morgan Markets. Okay, and yeah, make sure you have at least $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades. The Morgan Markets link is in the description below. Once it's the end of June 2023, then I might stop giving the free signals that I used to do, and we'll just take it and make it private for 1 year straight. And after that, to be closed, and you need to wait 6 more months to be able to join in. Well, with that being said, we'll be right back in the markets when we're into more profits in the market. I'm trying to see if we can, get to 200% before the end of the week. I know today is Friday, but yeah, let's see how this plays out. Like, share, and subscribe. And there you go. We just hit take profit. Okay. We just hit take profit. And look at that. We are almost just less than $70 away from gaining 200% profit on this account. If we have the opportunity to do that today, I will let you guys know. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course, go to nfxandcrypto.com, and we'll be right back with another video when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to use a broker, use Morgan Markets, link description below, and hope you guys have a nice trading session and trading week ahead.